In this video, I will show you how to add a reference line in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. Go to the left side of your screen, click and hold Order Date, then drag it to the bar next to Columns. Next, click and hold Sales, and drag it to the bar next to Rows. Now, click on Order Date on top to bring out the drop-down menu. In here, switch it from discrete to continuous. Click on Order Date again and select Quarterly. After that, go to the top of your screen and click on Analytics. Under the Custom section, click and hold Reference Line, then drag it to the main board. A pop-up will then appear asking where to apply it. For this example, let's choose Table. Another pop-up will appear where you can edit and customize how you want the line to look. And that's how to add a reference line in Tableau.